Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix PayPal money pending, PayPal balance on hold problem. So let's get started. So as you can see right here, I have a snippet of this problem right here. So if you are also facing this, you can see this on your dashboard. It says there is money on hold right here and you have the option here to get your money sooner. So if you would like to expedite or make this process faster, then you would need to click here on get your money sooner because PayPal would hold this up to 21 days, so which is very long. But in my case, as long as you click here on get your money sooner and confirm the identity and just give the information that PayPal would ask of you, then you would get it by 5 days. So 3 to 5 days you would get it at that time. That is in my experience. So yeah, all you have to do is click here on get your money sooner. And then one thing that you can also do in order for you to make it more faster is that you can go here into paypal.com, log in into your account, and click here into your help right here. And then from here, what you want to do is you simply want to scroll down until you see the message center and click on this one. And then from here, you would need to talk to the customer support because in this way you would have a more specific help on how you can address your problem so that you can be assured that what you are doing is solving your problem, because customer support here would be able to identify the reason that your funds were held, and you can also request that they increase the limit for your account on how much you are able to receive here in PayPal without them holding your funds. So yeah, you can just talk to them right here and then just basically explain your situation and how your funds are held, and typically they would reply that they would need some sort of documents to proof of ID just to prove your identity, and you don't have to worry much about this on your funds getting held if your account is new, because it's just a precaution in PayPal. If your account is new, then they would really hold the funds, but as soon as you get more transactions in your account, they won't hold the funds anymore unless there might be some issues like you get reported by the people that was sending funds to you and so on. So yeah, this is how you can fix PayPal money pending, PayPal balance on hold problem. Thank you for watching.